So, good day everyone. Today we will talk about the Protozoa. This is the systematic classifications of Protozoa. So, its kingdom is Protesta, phylum Sarcomastigophora, the class is Lobosea, order Amobeda, family Amobidae, and genus is Amoeba. So the word protozoa is from the Greek word protozoon, word meaning first animal. Protozoa are unicellular, maybe multicellular, eukaryotic microorganisms. So the word protozoa first coined by George August Goldfuss in 1818. It's constitute a large group of about 65,500 species, most of which are harmless, free-living, and inhabits water and soil. Protozoa are single-celled organisms which have a membrane-bound nucleus. Most protozoa are free-living, but some are parasitic. They are heterotrophs, meaning they eat other plants or animals for energy and nutrients. The size of protozoa is ranged between 3 to 300 micrometer. Protozoa are eukaryotic, unicellular, and heterotrophic protists. They occur as parasite or free-living predator. They cause many diseases in humans. Despite their small size, they are incredibly diverse and exist in various aquatic and terrestrial environments worldwide. Some common examples of protozoa are Amoeba proteus, Paramecium caudatum, Euglena gracilis, Plasmodium falciparum, and Trypanosoma brucae. Characteristics of a protozoa. So the habitat is mostly aquatic, either free living or parasitic. Size. Most protozoans are in the size of 1 to 10 micrometer long, but Balantidium coli may measure 150 micrometers. Locomotion. Locomotory organ are pseudopodia or cilia or absent. Nutrition. Nutrition are holophytic like plants or holozoic like animals or saprophytic or parasitic. Digestion. Digestion is intracellular occurs in food vacuoles.
So beneficial protozoa. So for food, protozoa provide food for insect larvae and worms which are taken by fishes and crabs and which they are eaten by man. In insect control, there are several protozoa control harmful insects by persisting their bodies and helpful in sanitation as well. A large number of protozoa living in polluted water feed upon organic matters and thus purify it. And on the other hand, harmful protozoa is that on pollution of water, drinking water in natural condition is made unpalatable by reproduction of some free-living protozoa in it, and then destruction of wooden articles. Some flagellator like Trichonomypha and Colonympha live in the gut of termites and help in cellular digestion. Reduction in fertility of soil. So protozoans feed on nitrogen fixing bacteria, thus reduce the fertility of soil. So, life cycle of protozoa. So most protozoa's life cycle alternates between the vegetative stage, the trophozoite, and the dormancy stage. So during the trophozoite stage, the parasites actively divide, forming more cells. Some protozoa develop protective structures called cysts during unfavorable conditions or environmental stress. Once favorable conditions prevail, the cyst breaks upon and the protozoan emerges, resuming its normal life cycle.
So in addition, respiration occurs through the body surface. Osmoregulation, contractile vacuoles help in osmoregulation. In most protozoa, the cytoplasm is differentiated into ectoplasm, or the outer transparent layer, and endoplasm, the inner layer containing organelles. The structure of cytoplasm is mostly seen in species with projecting pseudopodia such as amoebas. Reproduction. Reproduction occurs by both sexual and asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction usually by binary fission. Sexually happens by conjugation. Nucleus. Nucleus may be compact with diffuse chromatin or vesicular with central or eccentric karyos. DNA and peripheral chromatic RNA. Respiration is mostly anaerobic.